Let's learn how to add a glitch stutter transition in Premiere Pro. First, place your two clips side by side on the timeline. Then go to your project panel, right-click, and choose New Item Adjustment Layer. Click OK to accept the default settings. Right-click the new adjustment layer, select Speed/Duration, and change the duration to 8 frames. Now drag the adjustment layer above your two clips and center it at the cut between them. An easy way to position it perfectly is by clicking on the layer and nudging it with the Alt+Arrow keys. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for VR Digital Glitch and Strobe Light. Drag both effects onto your adjustment layer. In the Effect Controls panel, expand the VR Digital Glitch settings. Set Color Distortion to 100. Distortion Rate to 75. And Evolution to 100. Then, in the Strobe settings, set the strobe color to black. Blend with Original to 0. And Strobe Probability to 50%. That's it. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like next.